Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. This week on the big table, I'm going to take another crack at these. Last week I only was able to finish one cardinal. I didn't even grout it, so hopefully get a few more of these done. And I hate to show this again, but this I'm going to prep. This week, I swear, I'm going to prep that thing because I have an idea for it. Swing it over here. I am going to grout this, maybe in a couple different colors. And then I have a mess to clean up from all of the glass on that. And it's a holiday week, so that's about it. I might work on some other stuff and I'll pop it in the video if I do. Hey everyone, it's a couple days past Thanksgiving. I've got my Christmas wreath up, but I just want to show you, we've had such great weather in Georgia. I still have my pumpkins out and my impatiens are going strong. But we're going to have a freeze in a couple nights, so they're about to say goodbye anyway. So I'm going to get them cleaned out and plant my pansies finally. That's it. Here's some I've already planted, and I've just really enjoyed them. They've just been beautiful with the snapdragons and the dusty millers, so I'm going to get the rest planted. to go ahead and plant some tulips in here. I'm going to put a little starter fertilizer. And these are a double pink tulip called Angelique. I got 100 of these. So I think if I put a few in my pots, that'll be nice. You can pack them in pretty tight in the pot. Tighter than you can in the landscape, I think.
Hey everyone, you just saw me decorating the family tree, but this year I bought myself something super special, my own tree. It's going to be a themed tree. The theme so far is red and gold. Not a great theme, but you got to start somewhere. My daughter's going to be helping me to decorate it, so here we go.
These ornaments in my studio that I had started last year. They're just glass ornaments that I embellished with some mosaics. So I'm gonna finish up as much as I can on these, and then hopefully I'll have a grout date tomorrow where I can do the animals and these ornaments and the magnolia. Putting it together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.